He was like, we can print all these fingers and then clip them all in.
Leon was born without fingers on one hand.
I saw his hand sticking up and there were no fingers on it. It was hard for my wife, it was hard for me.
When he grew up, his dad wanted to buy him a prosthetic hand, but they cost up to $30,000. So his dad got a crazy idea. He found a free 3D printable hand design online and decided to build his son a working hand.
I thought it was a little crazy and it was a little too much.
Leon didn't believe it at first, but when he put it on,
It was pretty awesome. I could pick up, say, like a water bottle. Like, say, I could pick up my pencil.
This thing cost us like $5, $10, you know, whatever. It was nothing.
What is it like to see him with us?
Making your kids happy is like the most rewarding thing you can have as a dad.